welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Chanel unboxing for you, and a pretty fun one because I feel like this bag is actually pretty affordable in the realm of Chanel bags. So this might be something that many of you can consider. I'm so excited, guys. So I am actually keeping an eye on Chanel's launches that are a little bit more reasonable price points, because I think a lot of us right now, during everything that's going on in the world, we are looking for more affordable bags, things that don't break the bank, right? So I will be giving you a lot of tips going forward in terms of affordable items from Chanel, from Louis Vuitton, especially with all of the crazy price increases that are happening right now. You know what I mean? Louis Vuitton is on their second or third price increase this year, and it's only March, okay? The prices of the bags are absolutely insane. So I will be giving you tips on some bags that are affordable and gorgeous, because I am so picky, guys. Like, it's not anything that rocks my world at this point. I am at the boutiques all the time. I see the best of the best. My friends have the most incredible bags. So I feel like it takes a lot for a bag to rock my world, and it's not necessarily about price tag. There are bags that are on lower price points that I think are gorgeous. So I'm gonna be giving those tips to you. And then the other thing I wanna mention is that, yeah, my tongue is blue, okay? Yes, it's blue. I was eating Sour Patch freaking, like, the little strips, and I have noticed that I do that a lot before my videos, because, like, I feel like this is the third time that this happens, that I come film a video and my tongue is blue, okay? So I hope this is not too big of a distraction for you, but hey man, it is what it is. My apologies for my extraterrestrial tongue today. Let's get to the business at hand, shall we? So this is our beautiful Chanel unboxing for today. I am so excited, so I gotta show you. Look at this beauty. I actually bought this beauty for my daughter. Look at this box. It's like a little cupcake, huh? Isn't it so exciting when we open a Chanel box? It's like, it's a vibe. You know what I mean? So let's get into this vibe, shall we? And I'm gonna give you the prices. I'm gonna give you all the deets, okay? You don't have to worry about it. Okay, open the box. Here it is. Comes with a little booklet. Check that out. Look how cute the dust bag with a cute little bow. Look at that. Out. I feel so bad to have to open this, you guys. Check this baby out. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Okay, so here is the strap. And the strap has like the leather kind of like intertwined with the metal. And this is the cutest flipping thing ever, okay? I cannot believe the price of this bag for a Chanel bag. And you guys know I love structured bags, so that's why I picked this one for my daughter. So check it out. And look at the detail right here. You know, like the Chanel little pattern that you see on the classic bags right here. Look how pretty on the metal. Check this out. And then the Chanel, logo right here. Now let's open it up. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it has a mirror. And then let me take the authenticity card out. But check this out. This is such a spacious bag. Look at this. Oh my gosh, how practical for you to have your things, and then you can open it up, put your lipstick on, right? Oh my God, I love this so much. So I would throw my Calvi holder in here, my lipstick, my keys, super easy. It doesn't fit a phone, guys. It's not big enough for a phone. So this is my iPhone 10, which honestly doesn't bother me at all because I carry my phone on my hand all the time. It's like, even on the bags that fit my phone, I will put my phone in my bag, and like the entire time my hand is itching to grab my phone, because you know we are addicted. We are checking our stuff, we are checking calls, we are checking Instagram. So it's like I have my phone on my hand anyway, but it is extremely spacious. You can easily fit your lipstick, your compacts, your keys in here. Check that out. Oh my gosh, AirPods, everything else that you would like to fit in here. And then this is a magnetic closure. Check that out. So freaking Pretty, super easy to open it up too. Like there's no zipper, pain in the butt when you're walking around and you want to get into your bag. You just open it, magnetic, boom, you have your little mirror. I think this is just gorgeous. Let's do mud shots. Look at this. You can totally wear this baby crossbody with jeans. So freaking cute, right? Easily on the shoulder as well. Look at this. Easy shoulder bag as well. Check that out. Oh my gosh, so cute, so hip. Check it out. Like with your cute jeans, right? And I'm tall, guys. Like this is, if this is great for me, this would be great for anybody. These are extremely hard to find. I feel like I find some amazing things at my store because we are more like a touristy area, not as many like locals. So I will find stock that you are not able to find stock anywhere. I will find things like my friend will call me from Miami. I will have better selection here than she has in Miami because everything in Miami sells out so much because of all the local rich clients. So I feel like this was such a find. It's made with real leather in Chanel, which is like a notch above. Do you know what I mean? So $19.25 was the price. Obviously, I paid taxes on top of that. So if you're interested, so just send me a message. I think this is absolutely incredible. And then, I don't know, I am on a major Chanel kick at the moment. I don't know what to tell you. Chanel is rocking my world at the moment. I have a love and hate relationship with Chanel. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that. I curse them all the time. I get so mad about so many things. But here's what I feel like the pandemic changed a little bit of my purchasing patterns, and I talked about this a lot to you guys, but I am investing a lot more in Chanel because I feel like Chanel is classic. Chanel doesn't go out of style. It's a great investment. Whenever you decide to sell it, you can sell it no problem. You will get most of your money back even after you wear it and wear it if you take good care of it, right? Of course. But I'm not investing in trendy right now. I really am not. You guys know I love Louis Vuitton. I'm totally a Louis Vuitton girl, but Chanel right now is rocking my world. I am loving the collections. I am loving the clothes. The shoes, a couple of things, not so much, but the clothes and the bags are absolutely killing me, and the jewelry as well. So I intend on spending a lot more money on Chanel going forward, and I will keep you afloat of all of the good deals because I am looking for great price point bags that rock my world, that I think are beautiful, that I can capitalize and then buy a bunch of bags. I will not go for Chanel Classics. I am very bored of Chanel Classic bags. I don't see myself buying any of them, to be honest. I want bags like this one, like specialty bags from a specific collection. They will never go out of style. You can always sell them. They're not really indicative of different collections unless you buy something that is very specific, which is a very small percentage of their collections. So if you pick something like this, fun, specialty kind of bags from certain collections that I can collect and build, and they will never go out of style. I don't know where you guys are at. I would love to hear, but I stopped with the trendy stuff. I am dying for some Bottega bags right now, and I am not gonna spend the money like $4,000 on a Bottega bag. For me, it's too risky of a move right now, especially not getting a lot of wear because I'm not traveling. I'm not going out all of that much. My traveling lately and going out, it's like Miami a couple times a month. I don't know that I'm willing to gamble $4K right now for it to be out in like a year or so. I want a bag that's gonna be around for 3, 4, 5 years. So instead of like 4,000 in a Bottega, I'd rather buy 2 like this, or 1 4,000 from Chanel that I know is going to be, you know, around for the long haul. I am telling you, Chanel is my jam right now. Of course, Hermes is my jam, always my jam in terms of bag investments. Louis Vuitton is kind of like, I don't know, third place right now for me. And I used to be like #1 Louis. But Louis prices are really high right now. The bags are very trendy right now. And I don't know, not feeling it, guys. Louis Vuitton, everything's $3,000 right now. And I'm like, 3,000, I will be investing in Chanel. Anyway, let me know what you think of this beauty. I think this bag is absolutely gorgeous, like a major, major find. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. Thank you for taking time off of your busy day to stay here and shoot the shit with me. A lot more goodies coming. I have a couple of other hauls. I've been shopping lately, is all I'm gonna say. I have purchased some Hermes stuff, not bags, but some other Hermes stuff. I have purchased a new bag, like incredible bag that I have coming for you guys. So stay tuned for lots more eye candy. Thank you so much for being here. I love you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.